Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making teriyaki turkey with a puree of potato, cauliflower, Parmesan, and garlic. So the first thing we've done is get our pot of boiling salted water on. There's a couple drops of olive oil in there as well. We're going to go in with our cubed potatoes and our cauliflower and begin to cook these. Cover these and let them cook. Alright, so now we're going to go in with our turkey cutlets. And all I've done here to make these more kid-friendly is cut them down into kid-sized portions. We've marinated it in teriyaki with a little salt and pepper as well. And I've just drizzled just enough oil to coat these on so we don't have to use a lot of oil in the skillet. So we're going to put these directly into the pan and cook them all the way through. Okay, so I've taken a little bit of our marinade of teriyaki. I'm just going to spoon just a little bit more over the top. I patted these dry after removing them from the marinade initially, so they could get a little bit of color when we cook them in the pan. We can flip these. Just a bit more over the top. Okay, we're going to check our potato and cauliflower. You want to cook them until they're nice and tender. Got a little ways to go. So our turkey cutlets are done. Set them out on a paper towel. Alright, so our cauliflower and potatoes are cooked the way we want them. So we're going to drain this off. Alright, I'm adding a little bit of my cooking liquid back in, turning these down to low. Give this a quick stir. It's okay if you're mashing these up a little bit. They're going to get pureed anyway here in just a minute. Now we're going to add in a couple of crushed cloves of garlic. Nice pinch of salt. Milk. yogurt. Our Parmesan cheese. A couple of cracks of black pepper. And we're going to turn the heat off, set it aside for just a few minutes, let it cool a little bit, and then we'll blend it up. Okay, so we've let our mixture cool. I've got my immersion blender. You could do this in a food processor. And we'll begin to pulse it up. Alright, nice and smooth. So we will plate this up and show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.